Hi, here we have the adjoining figure shows a set of concentric squares. If the diagonal of the innermost square is 2 units and if the distance between the corresponding corners of any two successive squares is 1 unit. Okay, so it's given that the diagonal of the innermost square is this is the diagonal, and this is 2 units. This diagonal is 2 units, and the distance between corresponding corners of any two successive squares is 1 unit. Okay, so the distance between corners of any two successive squares is 1 unit. So this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and so on. Now we need to figure out the difference between areas of the 8th and the 7th squares counting from the innermost square. Okay. Now the diagonal of the first square is 2 units. What about diagonal of the second square? It will be 2 plus 1 plus 1. This 1 unit and this 1 unit will increase. So 2 plus 2 units. This will be the diagonal for the second, which is 4 units. For the second square, this is the length of the diagonal. For third square, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 units. This is going to be the length of the diagonals for the third square, right? We have 2 plus this plus this plus this plus this. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Total 6 units. Similarly, diagonal for the 7th square will be, for the first square it is 2 into 1, for second square it is 2 into 2, for third square it is 2 into 3. So for 7th square it will be 2 into 7, 14 units. And for 8th square the diagonal will be 2 into 8, 16 units. These are going to be the length of the diagonals. Okay. And we know if diagonal is this, the length of the sides will be 14 by root 2. We know in a square, if the side is A, the diagonal is root 2A. So side is basically diagonal divided by root 2. Okay. So side of the 7th square will be 14 by root 2, which is 7 into root 2. And the side for 8th square will be 16 by root 2, which is 8 into root 2. Okay. These are the sides. So the area of the 7th square will be 7 root 2 whole square, which is 49 into 2, 98 square units. And area of the 8th square will be 8 root 2 whole square, which is 64 into 2, 128 square units. These are the areas of 7th and the 8th squares. So the difference in areas will be, the required difference is 128 minus 98, which is 30 square units. So the difference between the areas of 7th and the 8th square is option B, 30 square units. Thank you.